Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. So today we are turning our leftover rice into a very delicious and fulfilling meal. Like you can see, this is going to be a rice salad. Yes, it is fresh, it is fulfilling, and it is so easy to make. You don't need to cook anything. Within no time, within 5 minutes, you are good to go and your lunch is ready and served. So these are the vegetables we are using in this recipe. I use 2 tomatoes, red tomatoes. I like the bright red tomatoes. They have that nice color that is going to add onto the salad, and I also want them juicy such that they can also, I can also taste that juice from the tomatoes in this salad, in this recipe. So to that I add the capsicum. Feel free to add any other bell pepper of your choice. It can be a yellow, it can be a red one, but because already I have used the tomatoes, I didn't want to add in the red bell peppers. Then to that I add the cucumber. Make sure that you have already washed, cleaned and dried your vegetables before you start peeling them, dicing them and all that. So to that I add a red onion. Feel free to use any other onion of your choice, but I find the red ones more suitable in this recipe because of their color and also because they add a distinct taste in this recipe. If it is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Kindly help me grow by subscribing, like and share. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Then you add in any other herb that you think goes well with rice. I added coriander. It is really a nice herb that I think goes well in almost all the recipes, all the dishes. One may decide to add it in, and it really elevates your meal, your dish. So yeah, you chop it and you also add it into the bowl. Then I move on to add in avocado. It is creamy and it is also soft, smooth. So it is really it gets you going to people who struggle to have some of these vegetables. Yeah, so if at all you are someone who struggles to get these vegetables, you can really try having avocado in almost all your vegetables, plus also some other health benefits that comes with having them. So I really love it, but also it adds in that other green color, makes this whole vegetable creamy, and so I really love it. To that you go on and season with black pepper and salt just to keep it simple, but you can use any other seasoning of your choice that you would really love to enjoy in this recipe. Then to that I add some already cooked corns. These are for some added vitamins, nutrients, fiber and all that. Feel free to use any other vegetables of your choice that you would love to enjoy in this recipe. So this is really a very simple meal that you can prepare within no time. It is done and you are good to go. It is so fulfilling, it is so fresh, and it is really nice, colorful, and all that. So to that I squeeze half of some lemon juice to give this salad an extra kick, with helping the body absorb the green salad. It also helps in refreshing the taste buds. If at all you can't get lemon, you can just substitute with some white vinegar. It works just fine as well. So this is the super rice that is sticky and it has a nice aroma here in Uganda. So I really wanted rice that is sticky. I didn't want to use basmati in this recipe, so I felt like this one was more suitable than any other rice. But feel free to use any other rice that you would really love to enjoy. So mix all the salad until everything is well incorporated and you are good to go. So here we add in the avocado. Remember I had not added it with the rest of the other vegetables in the bowl. So here you add them and you carefully mix because I didn't want them to all be mashed up. So yeah, and just like that, your lunch, your dinner is ready and you are good to go. Feel free to share with me in the comment section what are your leftover rice hacks. So this is one of those recipes that I really loved and enjoyed, so I hope you like and enjoy it too. So let me know in the comment section where you are watching from. Let me know what you would love to see on the channel. So I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to click on the the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Feel free to add any other sauce of your choice. I just added some Dijon mustard and some ketchup, which really elevated the dish to another level, and I really loved and enjoyed it. So I hope you like it as well. Subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification. I have two channels, a Luganda channel and an English channel, so please subscribe to both of them to not miss out. Until next time, thanks for watching.